Hello everyone. So today I'll show you how to use drill down, column and bar charts. Please note that drill down charts are not available as part of standard Design Studio charts. These charts available in VBX extension, that is Visual BI extensions, and you can download and install these extensions from the below provided link. And the best part is they provide free trial version, so you can just download and try out these charts. So let's get started. So let me first show you what data I have available in my data source. So I'll just go to my data source, and here you can see that I have two measures, quantity and sales amount, and these are the different dimensions that I have available. Let's take a first scenario where we'll consider that I do not have any hierarchy defined in the backend data. So we'll create a logical hierarchy here. Let's say I'll take region. Within region I'll take states, and within states let's say I'll take cities. So ideally first chart should display me regions, all the regions, and quantity and sales amount. When I click on any region, it should show me all the states within that region and the sales and quantity of that state, and within states it will display me cities. So let's see how it works. Let me first add a grid component, a grid layout. This is standard grid layout, and let's resize it, and let's make number of rows equal to 2. Now I'll look for a drill down chart. So you can see that drill down chart is available under VBX component, VBX charts, column, bar drill down charts. I'll just drag and drop it here. Let's resize it, and you can see that this is a default view. As of now we have not connected any data source with this chart. So let me just go ahead and connect our data source with this chart. Okay, so the moment we connected our data source, you can see that it is showing all the regions and quantity and sales amount of those regions. So let's just save this application and let's see how it runs. The first screen will display all the regions and the sales amount. Let's say if I want to see within South region how different states are doing, so I'll just double click on South, and these are the different states within South. And within South, if within Texas, if I want to see how different cities are doing, so I'll just double click on Texas, and here is like different cities within Texas. Now at any point of time, if you want to go back one level up, then you can just use this button, back to state. You can see all these states here, and then if you want to further go back, then you can click on this. So you are now back to the initial screen. And same can be done for sales amount as well. Let's say if I want to see how different states are doing in terms of sales, then I can just double click on this, and here I can see different states and their sales amount. If I want to see cities within Texas, then I can just see all these different cities in terms of sales amount. This drill down chart also provides a very unique feature which is called expand and collapse. So let's first see how this works. Let's say this time, instead of double clicking on this bar, if I do a single click, so what it does, it expands South region and shows me all the states that are within South region. You can see that I can still see all these regions here, and it has just expanded the South region. Now let's say if I want to further expand this, then I can click on Texas, single click on Texas, and it will show me all the cities within Texas. So this feature is very important when you do analysis. If you don't want to lose sight of all these regions and you just want to expand a particular region or a state, then you can use this expand feature. Now if I want to collapse, I'll just do a single click on Texas and it will collapse everything. If I want to further collapse, I'll just do a single click and we are back to initial screen.